One person was injured as fire hits commercial and residential areas in Paco, Manila. Here's the report.
A massive fire engulfed commercial and residential areas in Paco, Manila on Saturday. It ignited from general merchandise stores along Pedro Gil Street around 8 p.m.
Maraming challenges natin kasi nga po yung lugar natin, medyo congested siya. At the same time, hindi ko masyadong makita. Pero lahat naman ng mga volunteers natin, nagawa naman nila yung kakayahan nila.
Residents tried to salvage some of their belongings.
Buti na lang po wala yung mother ko kasi totally 83 years old na po yung mother ko. Ayaw po sana niyang sumama sa amin, lumabas. Pinilit lang po nila. Kung hindi, baka siguro natupok po yung nanay ko.
The flames also affected a portion of Paco Catholic School. No student or school staff was hurt in the incident. The school announced that all classes will be held online starting Tuesday. The blaze reached fifth alarm until it was declared under control around 1 a.m. on Sunday. A fire volunteer sustained minor injuries. The damage caused by the fire is estimated around 15.6 million pesos. An investigation into the incident is underway.
Alam mo, kahit kikita mo yung efforts ng fire, yung Bureau of Fire natin, dumadami pa rin ang incidents ng sunog. Kaya people have to really be careful. At saka nakikita natin sa news, karamihan ng fires are started by yung mga electric fan.
Old electric fan. Or yung mga nag-overheat na electric fan.
Oo, ang dami. Kaya
whole day nakabukas yung electric.
Correct. Kaya mag-ingat kayo mga kababayan na kahit minsan mainit, pag wala kayo sa house, huwag niyo kakalimutan na i-unplug at ipatay.
Everything.
Kasi pag umiinit pala yung motor ng electric fan, tapos yung covering niya is plastic, it could start an electrical fire. Kaya mag-ingat na lang tayo.
Marami yan. Nakita ko kasi napakalaki nung apoy na yan. And nakita ko sa Facebook, some netizens were posting about it. Mga hindi pa sila mga taga Paco, Manila kasi nakikita nila from their side.
Oo, mataas
mga nearby cities.
Mataas yung apoy tsaka yung smoke Kaya very visible sa skyline, nakita nila.